We got a monthly subscription box from Universal Yums. Let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting Mexico.
Hola, soy Lulu.
First thing we're gonna try, Chipoy's Tortilla Chips Spicy Ranch. It looks like Doritos, then the shape looks like Takis. Immediately, you can feel the heat on your mouth. And you can taste a little bit of ranch already. Like Doritos Ranch, is spicy kick. 9 out of 10.
Numbing on the throat. Yes,
Soupy Loops. Pickle with chamoy cotton candy. Smells like pickle. Cotton candy. I love this. It's really pickle flavor. A hint of chamoy. The layers of chamoy. Oh, that's the chamoy part in the middle. 10 out of 10.
it's like a Jolly Rancher, the pickled one. Yes, over yes. 10.
Next thing we're gonna try, mango pulparindo. Looks like fruit roll-ups. It's grainy. It's like spicy tamarindo with mango. Really sour. There's a chamoy in there and then chili. 10 out of 10.
Spicy dried mango, tamarind rolled in it. Yes.
Last, Sevillanas Oblea. It's wafer with goat's milk. Reminds me of a Trupa waffle. It's light and airy. The filling inside, it's like dulce de leche. It reminds me of the one that you eat in church. No flavor for the wafer. 8 out of 10.
It tastes like a crispy crepe with dulce de leche. It's very sweet. I think for me, it's 9.
Norteñitos. Look at that. A lot of flavor. Almost like with lime and chili. You dip it with salsa. 7 out of 10.
I want a burrito right now. For me, it's 7.
Pepito corn sticks habanero flavor. It says Pepito USA. So I think maybe it's Tex-Mex. Look at the texture. Very crunchy. Spicy habanero. I can feel it in the back of my tongue. The texture is almost like pretzel. 8 out of 10.
You know what I want with this? Cerveza. 8.
Pepe Donas. It's the same thing as the chicharrones de harina. Going to give this 8 out of 10.
It's like very much of chicharrones de harina. Makes me want some fruits. Also, 8.
Tepache prickly pear soda drink. Almost like when you put pear in a sparkling water. Very light tasting. I will give this 6 out of 10.
Almost like water with a little bit of lemon. It's good. It's refreshing. It's 7.
Pulparindats. Tamarindo. Hard candy. It's actually a soft candy. Skittles. Tamarindo flavor. I'll give this 9 out of 10.
I like balls. 10.
Nugs. Carmelo de leche. It's chocolate covered nougat or peanut. Let's see. Snickers. And caramel in the middle. 8 out of 10.
It's not Snickers like Baby Ruth. A 10.
We have a variety of lollipops here. Gummy pop and a watermelon. Straightforward shape of watermelon. It's very soft. A little bit hint of spicy and watermelon. 7 out of 10.
Mango lollipop. It looks like a little mango. Spiciness. So chamoy. Saltiness. 10. I like sacking. Thank you, Mexico, for letting us taste your snack. Delicioso. Muchas gracias. Te amo.
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own snacks adventure.